Hi guys! Today we'll make a mayo recipe which tastes very good. First, hard-boiled 3 eggs. Now peel the eggs. My peeling method is very easy. Just use a teaspoon and the job is done in no time. Now add a spoonful of vinegar and half a tablespoon of sugar-free mustard. Add a good pinch of salt and some pepper if you like. And finally 1/4 cup water. And now blend for 1 minute and look at this. It is so delicious, very low fat and full of protein. I hope you will try it. Bye guys!